Maize seed. The maize grain is a caryopsis type single-seeded dry fruit. It is a monocot seed with one cotyledon and has the endosperm for the nourishment of the embryo. A longitudinal section of the maize grain shows a seed coat and the single cotyledon known as scutellum. The outermost coat enclosing the entire grain is formed by inseparably fused fruit coat and seed coat and is called hull. The endosperm occupies about 1/3 of the total seed and is located at the broader end of the maize grain. Beneath the hull, there is a continuous layer called alluron layer, which contains large cubical cells containing proteins. The rest of the endosperm consists of starch-laden cells which also contain some lipid. The embryo of the maize grain is located beneath the endosperm. All these parts are enclosed completely in a shield-shaped scutellum, which is the cotyledon. The embryo consists of a radicle, which is partially covered and protected by coleorhiza, and plumule, which is partially covered and protected by coleoptile. The radicle grows into the root, while the plumule grows into the shoot. Summary. A cross-section of a maize seed shows the maize grain is a monocot seed. The outermost coat, called hull, encloses the entire grain and is formed of fruit coat and seed coat. The endosperm is starch-laden and is surrounded by alluron layer. The embryo is enclosed within a scutellum. The embryo consists of a radicle and a plumule. Radicle is partially covered and protected by coleorhiza, while plumule is partially covered and protected by coleoptile.